As a fur mom herself, hindi pinalagpas ni Heart Evangelista ang Global Youth Summit para i-discuss ang animal welfare. Suportado naman siya lagi ng kanyang mister na minsan ay photographer din niya. Makichika kay Nelson Canlas.
Sexy yet classy, Heart Evangelista unleashes her sultry side sa series of pics na ito in her underwear. At alam nyo ba kung sino ang kanyang photographer? Her husband, Senate President Chis Escudero.
It says so much more. It's him supporting what I do, and that is my career, and I would do the same for him. So I love it that he doesn't kind of box me in a certain image that I have to be. He just allows me to just be myself and do what I need to do.
Ngayong araw, nakiisa si Heart sa ika-12 Global Youth Summit kasama ang ilang key opinion leaders at eksperto sa iba't ibang larangan para ibahagi ang kanilang kaalaman at karanasan ukol sa Sustainable Development Goals. Bilang isang certified fur parent, nagbigay naman si Heart ng mahalagang puntos tungkol sa animal welfare at kasama pa niya ang kanyang fur baby na si Panda.
You walk the talk. Perfection is not of this world. If you feel like you should promote adoption, adopt yourself, diba? And if you feel like no one's listening, it doesn't matter as long as you're living it, and eventually they will come. They will see and they will listen.
Start them young daw sa pagmulat sa mga tamang pagtrato sa pets.
Minsan exposure din kasi minsan meron tayong mga household na yung aso nila talagang ginawa na lang alarm or doorbell ng bahay nila. Basta pag aspin, nakatali lang yan o nakakulong. Pero tingnan mo naman, di ba, pag hinayaan, tinarato mo sila ng tama, parang tao, kiss mo mama, kiss mo mama, kiss mo mama, kiss mo. Parang tao din talaga sila.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.